welcome to Inspira TV. I am Priya Jha and you're watching Inspira this month. Here are the news headlines. Bridging the Gap. Inspira launches its first ever bridge course for freshers. Exciting July ahead. Inspira set to host boot camp for new students. International Yoga Day celebrated with spirit and energy at Inspira Knowledge Campus. Inspira to start new academic year on 1st July, 3rd and 5th semester classes set to begin. Inspira hosted 3-day research methodology workshop led by BITS Pillani Professor Mrityunjay Kumar. Now, news in details. The month of June marked a significant milestone at Inspira Knowledge Campus with the launch of its first ever bridge course from 16 to 27 June 2025. This 2-week long program was specially designed to welcome newly admitted students and help them transition smoothly from school life to the vibrant journey of college. The inaugural bridge course was packed with informative session, interactive activities, and engaging workshop aimed at introducing students to college culture, academic expectations, and campus facilities. The initiative offered students a glimpse into what lies ahead, introducing them to subject creativity sessions, team building tasks, and digital learning platforms. What made this even more special was the involvement of parents, who were invited for a dedicated session during the course. They were given an overview of their children's academic roadmap and campus life. Parents also shared their thoughts and feedback during short interviews taken on the same day. Let's hear it from them. सर, आज का आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था?
जो हमारा पेरेंट्स मीटिंग थे इसमें इतना पता चला जो कैंपस में एजुकेशन का सिस्टम बहुत ही अच्छा है और यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिकल बेस सीखा था ज़्यादा है यहाँ पे। आगे देखा जाएगा जो बच्चे कैसे इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं।
आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था? आपको कैंपस कैसा लगा आज?
बहुत ही अच्छा, बहुत ही नीट एंड क्लीन। और मैं यहाँ पे पहले भी आ चुकी हूँ, मैं फर्स्ट टाइम नहीं आई हूँ। एडमिशन जब करवाने आई थी मैं मे बी फरवरी या मार्च में आई थी, तब मैंने पूरा कैंपस घूमा हुआ था। यहाँ पे उसने ग्राफिक ऑनर्स एनिमे और मल्टीमीडिया बोल के जिसमें ऑनर्स
ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग एनिमेशन,
हाँ वही लेके वो पढ़ाई करना चाहता है। तो आए थे हम लोग, उसके फादर भी आए थे, हम लोग उसी टाइम कैंपस देख के गए थे। बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। फर्स्ट व्यू में हमने उसी टाइम सेकेंड दिन ही शायद में भी हम लोग ने हाफ एडमिशन करवा लिया था, सीट बुकिंग करवा लिया था। उसके बाद तो ये कुछ दिन पहले उसका टोटली हो गया आपका एडमिशन, मतलब रिजल्ट जब आउट हुआ उसके बाद मैडम से बात करके उसका फुल्ली एडमिशन हो गया।
मैम, आज का आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था?
एक्सपीरियंस मैंने अब वो तो इतना एक्सपीरियंस तो नहीं हुआ, फिर भी अब बच्चे, मेरा बेटी पढ़ रही है यहाँ पर। मैं खुश हूँ, ये कॉलेज में उसको एडमिशन मिला। आज से उसका फर्स्ट डे है इस कॉलेज में। हम लोग उसको लेके ही घर जाएंगे बोल के बैठे हुए। ये इसका कॉलेज का एनवायरनमेंट देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Bridge course set the tone for an enriching college experience. It not only helped new students settle in but also built a bridge of trust and understanding between the institution and families. After the successful launch of Bridge course, Inspira Knowledge Campus is all set to welcome its newly admitted students through an upcoming boot camp from 1st of July. This specially designed program aimed to give freshers a deeper understanding of life at Inspira before the academic session begins. The boot camp will offer a comprehensive introduction to every academic course, helping students make informed decisions about their future. In addition, it will serve as a platform for students to explore the wide range of clubs, co-curricular activity available on the campus, be it media, entrepreneurships, performing arts, or sports. Interactive session, fun workshops, and hand-on experience will ensure students feel confident, connected, and creatively inspired. The boot camp is not just about learning, but also about discovering passion, making new friends, and building a sense of community. This initiative reinforces Inspira's commitment to nurturing well rounded individuals by providing a head start in academics, creativity, and personal developments. Inspiria Knowledge Campus celebrated International Yoga Day on 21st of June with great enthusiasm, bringing together student, faculty, and staff for a reviving morning session. The event began with an introduction to the significance of the day, followed by a guided yoga session led by a yoga trainer, Mr. Sanjeev Ghosh. Participants engage in various asanas, pranayam, and meditation exercises, aligning with this year theme Yoga for Self and Society. The session aimed to promote physical fitness, mental clarity, and emotional balance among attendees. The event concluded with a group meditation and healthy refreshments, leaving everyone energized and inspired to adopt yoga as a regular practice. The new academic session at Inspiria Knowledge Campus is set to begin on 1st July 2025 with classes for the 3rd and 5th semester students. The campus is fully prepared to welcome students back with updated academic plan, enhanced learning resources, and a renewed focus on both classroom and experiential learning. Faculty members are gearing up to provide a dynamic and engaging learning environment, while students are encouraged to attend from day one to ensure a smooth and productive start to the semester. Inspiria Knowledge Campus successfully hosted 3-day research methodology workshop from 23rd June to 25th of June 2025 as part of its ongoing effort to strengthen research culture among faculty. The workshop was conducted by Professor Mrityunjay Kumar, Associate Professor at BITS Pilani, and a renowned expert in computer science education. Faculty members from various departments participated in intensive sessions that covered key areas such as research design, AI-based literature review, proposal writing, and the effective use of academic tools like Zotero and Overleaf. The workshop proved to be a valuable opportunity for academic enrichment and came at a timely moment ahead of Inspiria's upcoming National Transdisciplinary Conference on Cultural Intelligence and Global Leadership in August. Here are the news headlines. Bridging the Gap. Inspiria launches its first ever bridge course for freshers. Exciting July ahead. Inspiria set to host boot camp for new students. International Yoga Day celebrated with spirit and energy at Inspiria Knowledge Campus. Inspiria to start new academic year on 1st July, 3rd and 5th semester classes set to begin. Inspiria hosted 3-day research methodology workshop led by BITS Pilani Professor Mrityunjay Kumar. That's all for this edition of Inspiria this month. I am Priya Jha signing off.